logging in to Discord. I probably hope that you all know how to like create an account in Discord and stay logged in. In case of any issues, you can call me if you face any problems. So this is the main screen. Over here, there are DMs and the servers in which you are entered. I hope that you all are there in this server, which is SparkQuest. So you will enter into this SparkQuest like this. This is your main screen. Here is the number of participants, those who are there, and this is the chat area. So according to your slot, this is event area, which will be visible to all the participants who will enter over here. So according to your group, like group A, group B, group C, you all will be assigned a group. So according to that group, you all need to enter a particular channel. Suppose this is Space Group 1. So you all will click, and then here you get into this channel. Now here, when you play, a coordinator will be there with you and you can speak in case of any issues. Alright, this was about Discord. If you need to tell us anything, you can go to general chat area. You can type it over here and you can notify us whatever you want to. This is the general chat area. Only thing you need to do is join this channel via clicking it. Just a right click and you'll join into this channel. Here I have joined. This is my voice connected. This is my tower, and while I'm speaking, this thing is green, as you can see. So while you are speaking, this thing has to be green. There has to be this green line. So this is how you use Discord. Again, I'm saying, in case of any issues, you all can freely contact me on my contact number, which is given in the PDF. And in case if you need to contact me, I'm giving you my mobile number as well. It is 89-108-23765. I'll repeat it once again. My number is 89-108-23765.